What is goody, my people? We're back again with another gem. You guys read the title. I'm about to put y'all onto some game. I'm about to help y'all dramatically with y'all Shopify store. Now, we all know that when a customer goes to your website, the main reason that they're either going to buy your product, your service, whatever it is you're selling on your website, they have to trust your website, they have to trust the product, they have to trust that other people are buying it, and your website / product has to stand out. So today, I'm about to take you guys through some of the best apps that'll help you achieve all of those. Some of them are gonna be free, some of them are gonna be paid. But overall, it's gonna bless your entire life if you have a Shopify account already, or if you're just starting off with Shopify. So if you did not know, I made a video a couple days explaining to you guys, or taking you guys through a step-by-step process on how you guys can start your own Shopify store from scratch. I literally went in from, I did not have an account, I started a free trial, showed you guys how you can customize your theme, add products, make pages, do all that stuff. So if you have not watched that video, it's right up there. You should watch that first, and then come here and I will show you guys the apps that you need on your website, especially if you're trying to make the big money, you feel me? Now, before we get into the video, I just want to make it plain or clear that I'm not sponsored by any of these apps. Literally, I've been using these apps for a very, very long time, and I'm just kind of like explaining to you guys some of the apps that I use. Now, I'm not going to tell you guys all the apps I use. If you guys want an in-depth video, like me going directly into all of my websites and showing you guys every single app I use, let me know in the comments down below. But I'm just going to show you my top ones, the ones that I think have helped me the most. And yeah, so getting right into this, the first app that I would suggest that everybody needs to have on their store is an app called Upsell. Now, there are multiple different apps that can help you with upselling, but the app that I use and I've found has been very profitable for me, and it's been simple yet giving me enough options for me to customize it enough for me to actually make money from it. Is an app called Discounted Upsell. Now, I'll put pictures of all the apps on the screen as I talk about them, so you guys know which ones I'm talking about exactly. But the reason I like this app is that we all know that upselling is a great way to boost how much a customer is going to spend per time they order on your website. I think I said that wrong, but it sounded weird when it came out of my mouth. That also sounded weird when it came out of my mouth. Let's just skip past all that. But how upselling a product works, basically, let's say somebody comes to my website, Jooviers, right? They go to Jooviers.com, they're looking for a do-rag. They see a do-rag they want, they put it inside their cart. Now, when they're going to check out, what Discounted Upsell will do, it'll put a little pop-up on the screen that's like, wait, don't check out yet. Usually when somebody buys this do-rag, they buy this do-rag too. So it's kind of upselling people, helping people see the value in buying two different ones. And even on there, like on my website, I have an offer where if you buy two, you get their one for free. So on my upsell, it's like, usually if someone buys this do-rag, they also end up buying this do-rag, and if you buy this do-rag, you get another one for free. So it's kind of incentivizing people to spend more money instead of just coming for one do-rag. So it's really just helping like incentivize your customers instead of coming here. It's kind of, I wouldn't say tricking them, but it's kind of like suggesting for them to buy this other thing, because if you look in your Shopify analytics, you can actually see what products are bought together. So let's say if someone always buys a red do-rag, they always end up buying a black do-rag too. So you can see all those analytics, and then you could work through this app, Discounted Discounted Shopify, Discounted Upsell, thank you very much. And you could be like, whenever somebody adds a red do-rag to the cart, suggest for them to buy a black one, because they seem to always get bought together, and it just makes sense, and most people are probably gonna do it. But no, honestly, it's been a huge blessing for me. Just even upselling as a whole, I think since I downloaded the app, it's made me an extra $91,000 or something like that. I know it's more than $90,000, but just giving people that incentive to buy more while they're already at the checkout process. So highly, highly, highly suggest, if you guys do not have an upselling app installed on your Shopify website yet, get an upselling app. And like I said, the one I use is called Discounted Upsell. There was a picture on the screen when I first talked about it. So on to the next one. This is really gonna help your trustworthiness. Like when someone comes on your website and they do not see reviews, it's kind of like, is people buying this product? Is people actually shop here? Are people liking this product? You know, when you go on Amazon and you look for like a product, like say you go and look for a t-shirt, right? You go to the reviews to see if it fits small or fits big, to see what size you should order, if the quality is good. Everybody likes reviews. Everybody likes knowing, okay, somebody bought it and they think this is this. Everybody, somebody bought this and they think this is this, you feel me? So if you do not have a review app on your Shopify, you are missing out dramatically. The app I use is called Judge Me. I think it's actually pretty good, just due to the fact that it's very simple to set up. All the apps I have is very simple. I think I set up in less than 5 minutes. You kind of just put in what you want. There's a star program on it so they can rate the product. Let's say it's a do-rag again, for example. Let's say we're using my do-rag examples for all the videos, just to make it simple. So let's say this do-rag right here, to swim at your own risk. when they go to that page, when someone orders something, they can either rate it 5 stars, 4 stars, 3 stars, and then they can also offer like words as well. So they can be like, oh, I rate this 4 stars and I rate it 4 stars because I like it, but it's a little small sometimes. You feel me? Like it's so much, so many things that the customer can do, and also ingrained inside of the app itself. Every time somebody buys a product, so let's say somebody buys this, they're gonna receive an email the day after they receive the product that's like, okay, can you review the product? So it's kind of making, it's helping you get more reviews, because the more reviews you have, the better your product looks. If someone goes to your website and sees one product, or not one product, they go to your website, click on a product, and only has 1 review, and the review was 5 stars, and nothing said it, that's not really gonna help the trustworthiness. So the more reviews that you get, the better. Another reason I like this app, but I do not suggest doing this, but another reason I like this app is just in case, let's say, every single time somebody writes a review, on the app has to go through an approval or denial phase. So it's not just automatically published on your website like when someone writes a review. So if it's like a bad review, you technically could just deny it and only put up good reviews. I personally don't do this because I would rather like be transparent with my customers, be like, somebody comments, oh, the shipping was slow. I want people to see that when my shipping is not slow, but it might have been slow for them, because that's besides the point. I just do not delete the bad ones, but this Shopify app called Judge Me, it allows you to filter through if you want to publish the bad ones, publish the good ones. And another good thing about it is that, like, we have there's a verification mark on it, so if somebody that's actually bought the product leaves a review, then there'll be like a blue check right by the review, versus if somebody just came on your website, just wanted to talk smack and like write a review, it will not have the verified buyer badge on it. So it's just another way of legitimizing your website. So if you do not have a review app, you need it on your website. It will help, trust me, it will boost your sales dramatically, especially if you're having a problem with people trusting your website, or people trusting your purchase, I mean not your purchase, your product, whatever it is. You need to have a review app on your Shopify, and I do suggest the Judge Me app. So this app I'm about to talk about is probably my favorite app. It's called Show Orders Pop. It's what is it called? Hold on, I have it written down here. Show Recent Orders Sales Pop. It's a long name, but like I said, the picture will be right up there, so you guys can check it out. But basically what it is, this is probably one of the first apps I ever downloaded on my Shopify website. It's literally a little box in the corner or the bottom of like your website that pops up whenever somebody buys an item. So this helps dramatically with kind of putting new customers at ease, because when they see that box pop up, the box will either say like, Johnny from New York just bought a blue silky do-rag 14 minutes ago. And then it'll transfer to another order 5 seconds later. It's like, oh, Billy just bought the orange do-rag from Jamaica 20 seconds ago. Like, it's just showing people, new customers, once they come on your website, it's showing them that other people are buying, which makes them realize, okay, this company is actually legit. People are buying these things. And also it can help with, if someone's on the fence about buying a specific do-rag, then they see a bunch of people are buying it. Well, I'm saying do-rag, but product for you. So if somebody's on the fence about buying a specific product and they see all these pop-ups that's like, oh, Billy bought this product, John bought this product, Joanne bought this product, it's kind of rushing them into buying the product because they see it's in high demand and people are buying it. So this app I highly suggest. I believe this app is free as well. There are a bunch of, all these apps have free versions, and of course if you want certain features you have to upgrade the plan, but they do have free versions. I know they all have free trials, so you can at least test them out for your website, see if you like them, see if they help you. But definitely I do suggest that app on your Shopify, as it'll just help your website look a lot more legit. Not only a lot more legit, but people will come on your website and want to buy because they're like, oh, people are buying this product up, let me get it before it sells out, you know? And honestly, what I did in the beginning, like when I first started downloading the app and I didn't have that many orders, because what the app will do, it'll like cycle through all your orders. So say you only have 5 orders, it'll cycle through all the 5 orders and be like, okay, John bought this, then Billy bought this. But if someone's on your website long enough, they'll see all these orders are being recycled, and then they'll start to think, oh, orders aren't actually being, like, people aren't actually buying this thing. I just ended up making like 15 like draft orders or fake orders, with a bunch of different names and locations on it, and just so that app would have all the data it needs to kind of cycle through a bunch of different orders so it looks legitimate to other people. Like I said, this is what I did in the beginning before I actually got sales. So if you have sales already, you don't have to do this, but if you have 0 sales and you're just starting off your website, that is a trick that you could use just to kind of get your foot in the door. So the next app I'm going to talk about is, I feel like a lot of people think this is kind of like a dying version of marketing, but it's called email marketing. Now, I don't know why I said it's called email marketing. It is email marketing. A lot of people think like, oh, nobody uses emails anymore, but honestly, I'm pretty sure we all check our email pretty often these days, even though we don't check it as much as Instagram or Twitter or Snap, whatever it is, we still end up checking our email. So email marketing can still be valuable to you, especially if certain things are being triggered on your website. And when I mean certain things, I mean like abandoned carts. I mean if certain things are out of stock. The app I use, the app is called Clevio, something like Clavio. It's something. I've been using it for about a year now. I believe that's how you pronounce it, but like I said, it's on the screen. And they have a bunch of different templates for a bunch of things that happen. So let's say somebody adds a certain product to their cart, and let's say they add this so much own risk direct to their cart, but they end up leaving the website and never ordering it. That will trigger something inside of my email marketing app that will send them an email that's like, oh, we saw you were interested in this product, do you want to finish your order? Like go through and finish checking out. And that has helped me a lot with kind of like capturing back the people that forgot that they had the item in their cart. They were interested at one point and maybe they got sidetracked or they forgot to check out. Whatever it was, it helps remind people that, yeah, Jooviers is still a thing. Come buy your Joovier, you feel me? There's also other instances where it's like if somebody wanted a certain product and that Joovier was out of stock, my email marketing app will be like, okay, we saw you were interested inside this Joovier. It was out of stock, but now it's back in stock, so you could come and buy it, you feel me? But like I said, it's a bunch of different templates that's automated, so you don't have to go one by one emailing all your customers like, hey, thanks for buying this product. Do you want to buy another product? Or we see you like this product. Do you mind leaving a review? Or whatever it is. Or like sending email, mass emails out. That's like, okay, we have a promotion going on. If you buy 5 Jooviers, you'll get a $100 gift or whatever it is. It's mad simple to set up because like I said, it's just templates. You kind of just plug in what you want it to say and it automatically sends it out. You don't really have to worry about it. So if you do not have any type of email marketing app, you are missing out on easy free money. Like I said, there are free plans for this stuff, but some of them, if you want like more features and stuff like that, you're gonna have to pay some money. But you can, like I said, start off with a free trial, see if you like it, see if it's profitable for you, see if it makes sense. But you definitely should be in email marketing just to even like re-up on people. Like I said, if they added something to their cart, you want to get their attention back to come finish the purchase, as well as if something's out of stock, let people get notified when it's back in stock so you can secure that sale. Now this next and final app I'm going to talk about, I believe it's free. It's called Smart Bar. It's on the screen right now. Literally what it is, it's a little bar at the top of your website that you can use to either put a promotion up there. You can either say a message up there like, hey, all of our stuff is free shipping if you spend $25. You could put like a Happy Merry Christmas or something. Like you can literally just put anything at the top, and literally it's just the first thing that most people see, especially if it's flashy enough. There are options where you can put like a countdown timer where it's like, okay, this sale ends in 25 minutes, you want to capture it now. So I highly suggest anybody, if you have a website, to get this Smart Bar. Some themes on Shopify have it automatically on there, but if your theme does not have it, you can download this app and get that Smart Bar added, because you're gonna want to put your most valuable either promotion at the top of it or event or news, whatever it is. Like for me, I have at the top for Jooviers, I think it's buy 2 get the 3rd one for free, just so people are aware as soon as they come on your website, oh, there's this deal. If I buy 2 different Jooviers, I'll get a 3rd one for free, just so everybody can literally, as soon as they go to the website, it's like, okay, I see that, now they're shopping for 2 instead of they're going to your website and just shopping for 1 because they weren't aware of the deal. So these are my top recommendations for apps that you need to have on your Shopify if you want to increase your sales, increase your trustworthiness, increase how much people are spending on your website per purchase, checkout, whatever it is. You want to increase how much money you're making, you need these apps on your website. So if you like the video, make sure you like right now. But like I was saying, these are all like paid apps. Some of them are free, I believe, but most of them were paid for. So if you guys want me to make a video about my top 5 or 6 or whatever it is, top free Shopify apps, let me know inside the comments down below. Feel free to ask me any questions you have. All you have to do is DM me on Instagram at Joovier_. DM me any questions about what apps you should use. If your website sucks, I'll let you know if your website sucks. If your website's good, all you have to do is DM me on Instagram. I try to reply to every single DM. If you have any other videos you want me to make videos, or any topics you want me to make videos about, whether it be Shopify, crypto, stocks, whatever it is, drop in the comments down below. Make sure you like, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and the post notifications, because I be trying to put y'all on game for free. But good luck with your trades, good luck with your websites, good luck with everything in life, man. I hope you become a billionaire in the next 37 seconds. You feel me? I'm gonna see you on the next video.